In this video, I'll show you how to copy objects in AutoCAD using several practical methods that can improve both speed and precision in your workflow. Start by using the standard copy command from the Home tab under the Modify panel. Then select your objects and choose a base point followed by a second point to place the duplicate accurately. This method is great for quick visual positioning. You can also use displacement values for more precise copying by entering coordinate-based distances, which is especially useful in technical drawings where accuracy matters. Another powerful method is copy with base point using Ctrl+Shift+C, which lets you copy objects between different drawings while maintaining alignment. AutoCAD offers multiple approaches because different projects require different levels of control and flexibility. It's also a good habit to use object snaps and layers while copying to avoid placement mistakes in complex designs. With regular practice, these tools can significantly speed up drafting and reduce repetitive work. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you work smarter and design more efficiently.